got your edges sort of. Your strap, anyone use the strap cutter at all? Got the blades in there, and there's spare blades as well for the strap cutter, and also for this here. But this is a great tool, this one here. And then you just put a spare blade in it. And these scissors here just absolutely brilliant, you know.
They cut, don't they?
But you use this one for cutting thread more. We've got an extra one of this wax thread, and you know, this here is actually normally we use like a taller stitching clamp, but this one here you just put this together. You just sit down and put it between your legs, and the beauty of that is you got 2 hands free, you know. So the only thing with that is only one person to do it at a time. But,
you do all your, like you sell all your leather and your like your leather lacing and stuff, like if we need.
yeah, I think we're going to send some lace as well.
Yeah.
As well, so we'll get that into my.
You got all the bombing and all that there, haven't you? That rude.
Yeah, but we're going to send a bigger roll of some lace and everything like that. So anyway, I think the main thing for me is to get this up somewhere. You put this up on the wall and put the tools back in every time, because otherwise they'll disappear.